and this would be, Gracie, do you see this? So right here we have 5 10s and 3 10s. So we have 5 times 10, and this turned into, what should go here?
3
times 10.
And then this will go 30 because it's under there.
Okay, and how do you know that 30 goes there?
Because I know that, because I remember doing this paper because you know, 50 plus 30 equals 80 because that was the number that was there. So you're just going to, because you see the 10 and the 3, that equals 30, so you'd put it under there. And then it would equal 80 because 10 divided times 8 equals 80, so that'd go under there.
So you're saying that when you multiply 3 times 10, you get 30?
Yeah.
Okay, so 3 times 10 is 30, and then what's 50 plus 30? Gracie, do you know what 50 plus 30 is?
80.
80. You got it, girly. 80. So then this means 8 times 10 must equal what?
80.
80.
Because that's what it was.
It's got to. Okay, so what we're going to do is when we play this game, we're going to pick a card. And some of the cards are double-sided. So you can choose which one you want to do. Okay? So we're going to pick a card. Do you want me to go first so I can show you guys how to do this?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to pick this card. 8 times... Oh, you know what? This is the one we just did! I'm going to put that one in the back. I'm not going to do this one anymore. I'll pick a new card. Let's see. I'll shuffle them up. Alright, right here. I'll do this one. 6 times 10. So, first what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my number bond. So at the very top, I have 6 10s. And then, draw my 2 extensions. And I think, so remember I said you could break the number up however you want. So I could probably do 3 and 3. I could do 2 and 4. I could do 5 and 1. Whatever I want to do.
I'm going to do 3 10s.
That's what I think I'm going to do too. So I'm going to do 3 10s and 3 10s. And I think that's easiest for me because I'm breaking it right down the middle. And for me, that makes a lot of sense.
It's easy for me because I know I go 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Good. Okay, so then I'm going to write, if I have 3 10s and 3 10s, so I'm going to write 3 times 10 in parentheses plus 3 times 10
well, I didn't see that coming.
would equal 6 10s. So then I'm going to solve this. So can one of you tell me what's 3 times 10?
30.
30. How do you know that?
Because you know you're going by 10s, 10, 20, 30. You just have to skip count by 10s.
Good.
10.
Hey, I like the way you think. So 30 plus another 3 times 10 is 30. Would equal, what's 30 plus 30? 60. All right. So then I know, because I just solved this, I know that 6 times 10 must equal 60. And so then I want you to check me. Did I do this right?
Yes.
See my work? I did it right. So I get to move 1 space.
Ooh, can I go?
So we're all going to start right here.
Wait, where'd mine go?
Okay. Here you go. So who wants to go next? You want to go next?
Yeah.
All right,
Do I
so
just
pull a
pick?
card.
Does it have to be from the top?
Yeah, but it might be double-sided, so you can pick either side. Ooh, 8 times 9 or 8 times
I know
0?
this is 72, but I don't. This one's easier. I'm going to do 72.
Okay, so you're going to draw your number bond.
So equal 9 or 8?
So you have how many 9s?
8.
Good. So what are you going to write in the top?
9. 8.
Close. You said you had how many 9s?
Oh, 8.
8.
9.
8 9s.
So,
And then how are you going to split up that 8?
5 and 3.
5 and 3. Alrighty.
I'm going to put 5, 9.
Yep. 5 9s and
3.
3 9s. You got it, sister.
And then you do 8 times 9
Mm-hmm.
plus 8 equals 72.
You already know the answer? Alright, 72, but let's solve this right here. So you can write 72. Go ahead. But then let's write 5 times 9. So right here you have 5 9s. So write 5 times 9. And then what else do you have?
3 9.
3 9s. So plus,
3 divided by 9.
if you have 3 9s, how would we write that? 3 9s. Here you said you had 5 9s, so you wrote 5 times 9. And this you have 3 9s, so you're going to write 3. Yep, good. 3 times 9
Equals
equals this.
So this is
What's
45 and this is 27.
okay? So now let's add those together. How do you want to do that? Okay. Okay, good. 72. Gracie, do you want to check her work? Make sure she did it right?
I think.
Does it look right to you? Okay, so Madison, you get to move your piece. Woohoo! All right, Gracie girl, go ahead.
Move it a little bit over here.
So right here's your card you have.
10 times
10 times 4. So let's write your number bond first. What should go on the top of your number bond?
4.
4. Let's see. How many you have? What? What do you have here? You have 10
4s.
10 fours. 10 fours. And then we're going to break up this first number. So how do you want to break up 10?
5 and 5.
5 and 5.
I just did that number.
You did that number. I think I had. Oh no, I didn't have that one.
I was when I was doing it with Miss Earhart. There was one that because she asked, and then once it was 5 and 5. Then I said 10. She's like, how do you know that? I'm like 5 is fine.
Yeah. Okay, so you wrote. What did you write? You wrote 5 fours and 5 fours. Perfect. So how should we write that in a multiplication equation that looks like this? What's the first equation that you should write? 5 fours. We have 5 fours. How should you write that? That looks like this. You want to see my example? So I had 3 10s. So I wrote 3 times 10. So if you have 5 fours, how might you write that?
5 times
5
10.
times 5 times
4.
good. 5 times 4. So I'm going to write 5 times 4 plus 4 equals. You don't have to fill that out yet because we don't know what it equals yet. Okay. So let's do this. What's 5 times 4?
Oh, I know this one. I want to say it so bad.
Hold it in.
20.
Good. How do you know it's 20?
Because I know it. 5, and then 5, then 5, 5.
Mm-hmm. You're
can do
adding
this
5
20.
together. You're adding 5 together 4 times, and you got
Like
20.
this. 5, 10.
Good. I like that. You're skip counting. You can do that too. 5, 10, 15,
That's what I
20.
was doing.
Good.
Or you can go like this. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20.
Good. Okay, so 5 times 4 is, what did you say?
20.
20. So write 20 down below,
This eraser.
plus another 5 times 4, which is 20, equals
40.
40. Good, you got it. All right, move your piece.
Hey, you said I had to check it.
Oh, go ahead.
You forgot to put 20 right here. It's
All
good.
right. Go, Gracie. Go, Gracie. All right, I have
So fast.
10 times 2.
Like that's the card. So I got this. Does
You
this?
got this one? So I
It's
think
like a piece.
the top of my number bond, I'm going to write, what do I have? I have 10 what?
2s.
10 twos. 10 twos. And I think this time I might break it up into,
Oh, I know.
I might do 8 and 2.
Oh, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah, like why not? I'll switch it up. So I have 8 twos and 2 twos. So then to
Two
write
twos.
this, if I have 8 twos, I'm going to write 8 times 2 plus, and I have 2 twos, I'm going to write 2 times 2 equals blank. Because I don't know yet. I haven't
Oh, I know.
solved it.
I know.
Okay, so 8 times 2 is, let me think, 16. Okay,
Wait, this.
16 plus 2 times 2, I know that's 4, equals, 16 plus 4 is 20. So, 10 times 2 must equal 20. Alrighty, moving my piece. Or you know what, we can move them up 2 times each turn. You want to do that?
Yeah. And then
Alright, so we're all going to be here instead. But now, oh yeah.
What? Okay, my turn. Wait, that one's hard. That's like no way I can do that one.
8 times 8 or 8 times 1?
8 times 8.
8 times 8. All right, you're picking a challenge, huh?
Yep.
Okay. So what are you writing at the top of your number bond?
8. So I do 8 eighths.
Yep, 8 eighths.
8 eighths. 8
And then how do you want to split up 8?
4 with 4.
Okay, so you
4 eighths. And 4 eighths.
4 eighths and 4 eighths.
And then I do 4 times 4 plus.
Oh, wait, why'd you write the 4 there?
Oh,
Where'd that 4 come from?
because
So you have 4 eighths. So how should you write that? 4 times
8
8.
plus 4
4 eighths. How do you write that? 4 times
4.
you have 4 eighths.
8.
Yep. 4 times 8.
It's like I already know that.
Oh, I like that you're skip counting. That's a good tool.
I can remember this. That's 42.
32. Okay.
I always do that. Like
Okay, so now you know you have 4 times 8 equals. What did you say?
32.
32.
And then I do 40 plus 4.
So 4 times 8 equals. What did you say?
32.
32. So just write 32 below it. Good. 32 plus.
32.
Yep. There you go. What's 32 plus 32?
Wait, I'm switching this up. I'll keep 30.
Oh, you wrote it that way?
Yeah, I'll keep the 32s right here. I just want to make it this way.
Okay.
64.
64. You got it, girly. All right. Now you get to move forward too.
Boop, boop, boop. Wait, it goes 1, 2. I'm in front of you. I'm on top of you.
All right, Gracie girl.
I use like half my room.
Times 0. What did you get? 10 times 0. Okay, so what goes at the top of your number bond?
Top of my number bond.
10 times 0 means you have 10 what?
Zeros.
Good, 10 zeros. So then how do you want to break apart that 10?
You open that.
Ooh, you broke it up into 7 and 3?
Ooh, good job.
Alrighty. So you have 7 zeros and 3 zeros. Okay, so now what should you write below that? Ooh, I see you doing it already. Look at you. 7 times 0 plus. You wrote 7. Okay, good. 7 times 0 plus 3 times 0. So what's 7 times 0?
My cousin can do it in 17 seconds.
7 times 0.
Want to say what I can? Yeah.
If we count by 0, you believe it's 0. You're right. Why do you think it's 0?
That's his record. Because people can do that in like 5 seconds. 7. Because you know what? When it's 7 equals it's 7.
Okay.
But if you do this way, it's mostly 0.
Right, and could you count by 0 7 times? Sure. 0 plus 0 is another 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So it's got to be 0. So 7 times 0 is what?
0.
0. All right, so write 0.
And I get to check